Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a budget in Mint. Open the website mint.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your phone number, email address, or user ID. Then click on Sign In. Next, enter your password. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Budgets. At the upper part of the screen, you will see a button for Add a Budget. Click on Add a Budget. Now, select first a category. Click on Choose a category. From the list, browse and select a category. Next, select when would you like this to happen, and enter the amount. Then click on Save. And now your budget has been created. That's how you create a budget in Mint. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.